Hello everyone. Welcome to this episode of the M5Stack tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to quickly develop with the chain key in UiFlow2. The chain key is a single button input node in the M5Stack Chain series. It supports hot-swappable blue switches and RGB lighting effects, making it suitable for human-machine interaction and smart home control. First, open your browser and go to the UiFlow2 official website. In the function extension area, click on Chain. Drag the key block onto the one bus, then click Confirm to load the module. This example demonstrates how to configure the chain key as a USB keyboard. Please follow the example to connect the chain dual key with the chain key. Pressing the chain key will input the character C.